In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to adjust the clip speed in edits. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up your edits app. Now, once you're in here, just open up a draft, or if you don't have a draft, go ahead and select the video that you wanted to edit. And once that's done, just tap on the check mark. All right. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you'll have the preview right here of your video. Now, if you wanted to adjust a clip speed, you're going to want to tap on the clip itself. Okay. As you can see here, if it's highlighted yellow, that means that it is selected. All right. Now, what we're going to do here is just go ahead and tap on speed right here at the bottom. We have these options like split, volume, and speed. Okay. Just tap on speed. Now in here, we have the slider 1.0 or 1 is the default speed or the normal speed. Now, if you want to make it like slower, use the slider, tap and hold, then move it to the left. All right, as you can see here, or as you might have noticed, the clip is going longer. All right, as you can see. Now, if you want to make it faster, the clip will go short like that. When we tap on play, as you can see here, it's pretty fast. When we make it slower, the clip is going longer. All right, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.